Friday night. Could y'all please give it up for Mr. Dave Switzer?
Back there doing the sound. You will be hearing more from him later. Hey, thank you for coming out. This is really nice. We have a good crowd here tonight for our comedy workshop showcase. Again, my name is Dave Schwensen. I would say it's my fault that you're here, because I'm the guy that does the comedy workshops. And I just looked outside, it's pouring rain too. You guys get hope something that got to be dry or whatever. Yeah. So I'm just happy we have a crowd like this. Usually at the beginning of the show is also like when I introduce the celebrities we have in the audience. We do have some former comedy workshop graduates here. It's always fun to see it. It's turning into a kind of alumni night. And I was going to introduce the Cavs players that we invited tonight. But you see that empty table in the back, just like the last couple of games, they didn't show up. Come on, I just wrote that. I was in the car on the way here thinking, oh my God, that's funny. I'll say that. It's too soon, I guess, right? Too soon? All right, I'm sorry about that. I'll save that for, well, next season will be all different. There'll be champions next season. Okay, well, like we said, this is our comedy workshop showcase. We always do it now at the Funny Bone, former improv. I do them at the improvs and at the Funny Bones. I've been doing these for a lot of years. But now, to tell you a little bit about it, the people you see up here tonight, the comedians, have been working very hard here for like the last 3 Saturdays. We get together in the afternoons from noon to 4. We write material, talk about the comedy business. We say what's funny, what's not funny, and nobody listens anyway to that. We just do what we do anyway. But they get to work out on stage here. We're getting prepared for tonight's show. And now tonight's show, here's the thing. You all are now part of our comedy workshop. Yeah, you are. You're a part of it, yes. Okay? You have a very, very important job. Because this is mostly new material. You're going to see some of the comics tonight have experience, some of them don't. It's their very first time doing this. So we have to let them, have to show them some love. Right? You got to, give them some support because they have been working hard. So what I want you to do as part of the workshop is when someone comes up here and they say something funny, I want to hear you laugh. I want to hear you applaud. Come on, let's go. That sounds really good. That sounds really good. Now here's the other thing you must do. Keep this in mind. If someone comes up here and they say something that's not so funny, ow. Can you do that for us? Can you do that? Yes. Promise me. Yes, you can do that. Yes. I'm trying to rev you guys up. Get the adrenaline and excitement going here. All right, because I'm about right now to announce the highlight of the show. It's going to happen right now. Are you ready? Yes. Are you really ready? Yes. My time on stage is over. I'm going to bring up our host and our MC, who's going to take you through this evening of hilarity up here. He is a former workshop grad. Matter of fact, he took the workshop last January, and since then he's just been going wild, performing all over the place. We're really happy to have him with us, and so I'm going to introduce, and